Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Holmes County, Wayne County, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. High water will remain in some areas overnight. Local law enforcement reported that roads remain closed in parts of the county. Flooding may also linger on streams, fields, and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Holmesville, Millersburg, Rickman, Shreve, and Worcester. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Wayne. The forecast for northeast inland Ohio.